This is David from Smart World. We're in a Kia EV6. I'm going to show you the easiest way to install any app on your Kia, like Kayo, Netflix, Disney, YouTube. It's with the App2Car MMB11, a new model that we have now that works also with a SIM card. So you can put a SIM card if you want internet access, or you can use your mobile phone for hotspotting. And it's easy to use. Plug and play into the USB port of your car. Just make sure that this is enabled so it has CarPlay as well connected. And in a second, you're gonna see the new interface of the car radios reading the USB, and it's coming up now. So this device will allow you to install any app from a Play Store. So right now it's coming up, and I'm sorry, I shouldn't do that. I just touched this, and here we go. So it's ready, and the first thing we do is we're gonna connect with our mobile phone. So we're gonna go into settings and Wi-Fi and connect with our hotspot. So here we go, we have hotspot connected, and now we're just going into the home screen, and we're just gonna go into YouTube, for example, and start watching a video in YouTube. Of course, we have the ads, and here we go. We're gonna make it full screen, and as you can see, this device is really fast. I think this is the biggest the screen goes. Yes. So this is YouTube. Let's go and play some Netflix. As you can see, the device is really fast and works really well with the Kia EV6 and also the EV9, of course. And you can use your steering wheel controls to put volume up and down. And as I said before, you can use this adapter to install any app, and it comes with already some apps pre-installed: Disney, Hulu, Netflix, but you can install more. So this is the App2Car MMB11, compatible with Kia. Now, if you want to find more solutions, go to www.smartworldcompany.com or smartworldcompany.com.au.